Okay, we go to the Wing of Asia first. Let's go.
It's not toddlers actually. It is not for you toddlers.
Oh, sorry. Wow. All the eggs. Wow. One big egg. Elephant bird egg. Exclusive stair shells. Okay, let's explore Wing of Asia and then Africa. 2 more stops. Okay, Wing of Asia. Whoa, wow, this is nice. Am I in Indonesia? Adventure trail ahead. Wow. Go out first. Wow, nice hut. I see the pelicans. Oh, hunting in the shallow. Wee, Mandarin duck. Wee. The pelicans. Nice view. Let's explore some of the sound made by these birds. Let me see. First one. Great Argus. Second one. No sound. Third one. Fourth one. This is fun. Oh, let's go up. Top. I just take this one. This way to part of Asia, which is I'm going, because the other one, Mysterious Popper, I already completed. Let's go. Nice. Wow. Look at the birds. Beware of this static, because just now I explained, because the floor now is not, the flooring is not real wood, they're actually using artificial wood, so it's causing a static on this metal, so do not touch the metal. Wow. Oh. Do not feed them. Actually, I think there's only one shelter in this whole area, right? Amphitheater. Front view. Whoosh whoosh. Where are they? Oh, solar panels. So we'll end the Wing of Asia and now we're going to South Africa. Yep. Ending Wing of Asia. So now we're moving into Africa now.